English together.
Conversation 1.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you doing?
Hello, Dad. I am doing well. School has been going fine.
That's great to hear. What are you doing right now?
I am watching TV.
That sounds relaxing. What is your mother doing?
Mom is cooking dinner.
Ah, that's nice. And what is Tom up to?
Tom is playing a video game.
I see. And what about Grandma?
Grandma is reading.
That's wonderful. It's nice to know everyone is occupied.
By the way, Dad, when will you come back home? I miss you.
I miss you too, sweetheart. I will come back on Saturday and we can spend some quality time together.
That's fantastic, Dad.
Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Conversation 2.
Hi, what are you doing here?
Hi, I am waiting for a bus. I am going to the library. I want to borrow some books. How about you? What are you doing?
I am going to the shopping mall.
That sounds fun. Whom are you meeting?
I am meeting Sarah. She is waiting for me at the cafe now. By the way, you like reading so much. What are you reading recently?
I am reading Harry Potter. It is very exciting.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Well, it was nice talking to you.
Thanks. You two have fun shopping.
Conversation 3.
Hi, John. It's nice to see you. What are you up to these days?
Hi, Sarah. I'm actually working at a restaurant near the beach. I really enjoy it because the atmosphere is so interesting. How about you? Are you still learning guitar?
Yes, I still love playing the guitar because it allows me to make music with my friends. We actually formed a band, and sometimes we even perform live on the street.
Wow, that's amazing. Are you heading to work now?
No, actually, I'm going to the supermarket to do some shopping. Would you like to come with me?
Yes, sure. I'd love to join you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.